guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a beard balm and a beard oil to go with it. Everything that you see right here is what we're going to be using to make both. So you're going to need some hemp oil, some jojoba oil, beeswax, sweet almond oil, and cocoa or shea butter. I'm actually using shea butter. And all of these are linked below in the description because I got them all off Amazon. You're also going to need some essential oils. I have some tea tree essential oil right here. If it's ever going to focus, who am I kidding? It never focuses. So we're just going to put that down and move on. You're going to need some other essential oils for the actual scent. So I make my own essential oil blends. I have Nomad right here, which is just cypress, eucalyptus, and peppermint. And then I have this one I call Woodland over here, and that is cedarwood, cypress, peppermint, and a little bit of cinnamon. But whatever scent you want to use. You're also going to need a small funnel and some containers. I have a 1 ounce glass dropper bottle right here, and then I have a aluminum tin right here for the balm. Y'all, I got a new sticker printer and I'm having the time of my life. Look how cute these logos are. I am printing them out and just putting them all over my house. Anyway, let's get started. We are going to go ahead and start with the beard oil. You're going to need 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of hemp, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of jojoba, and 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. You're also going to need some containers. I'm just using these 1 ounce glass dropper bottles. I'm using 2 of them. The recipe's going to fill up 2 of them. And then also some essential oils. So I'm going to be using the Nomad essential blend and then the tea tree essential oil. And all we're going to do is just mix all 3 of our oils together. So just take 2 of them and dump them in the container with the other one. Do a nice slow careful pour, no need to rush, we're just taking our time here. And then give that a nice little stir. I'm going to be adding 20 drops of the essential oil blend and then 6 drops of the tea tree essential oil. And then just give that another quick mix and then you're good. That's it, your beard oil is done. You just gotta pour it into the container that you want to use. The dropper bottles I think are the easiest, and if you order them on Amazon you get a whole pack of them, so you can fill up as many as you want. Now, my husband really likes to use this at night because it's a little lighter and thinner, just smells really good. So, up to you, your choice. That's what he does. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get all the stuff for our beard balm. This beard balm recipe is going to fill up 3 of these aluminum cans that I have. Alright, so you're just gonna get your double boiler ready. Get some water, put it on the stove, put your stove to medium-high heat. And then for the ingredients for this, what you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of shea or cocoa butter, 2 teaspoons of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of hemp oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and then whatever essential oil you're using. This is the blend that has the cedarwood, cypress, peppermint, and a little bit of cinnamon to it. And then a glass container for your double boiler. I'm using my Pyrex one, as always. And all you're going to do is just dump your shea or cocoa butter into your glass container with the beeswax. And you're just going to let that melt together. Now you can definitely use cocoa butter. I like to use cocoa butter sometimes with peppermint essential oil, and that creates this like mint hot chocolate smelling beard balm, and it's really nice around the holidays. But my husband doesn't really like to use that on an everyday basis, so that's just the thing. You get that strong chocolate smell with cocoa butter. Ain't nothing you can do about it. And then once that's all melted together and cooled, you're just going to take your other oils and mix them in there one by one. So take your jojoba oil or your hemp oil, whichever one you're feeling gets to go first, and stir that in. And then just stir your other one in. And make sure they're nice and well combined. And for this one, I'm going to be adding 20 drops of the essential oil blend to scent it. And then just give that another mix and you're good. That's it. You're done. So you can pour that into your container. It takes maybe like 20-30 minutes to harden and then it's ready to use. And then my husband likes to use this during the day because it's really good at keeping like a lot of moisture in, and it's also really sculpting. So if you want kind of like a more of a pomade type thing, this is the one to use. But that's it, guys. You have beard balm and beard oil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you try it. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and I will see you next time.